Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have x minus 1 over root x is equal to 2 and we want to find x minus root x. Now my friends, this x minus root x can be written as root x times root x minus 1, since if we distribute this we'll get this expression again. Now I will show you some trick to get this expression easily. That is to write this as x minus 1 over root x is equal to 1 plus 1 for some reason, and we will have our 1 left hand side as x minus 1, and we will just send this 1 over root x to right hand side, and plus 1 is what we have. Now this x minus 1 can be factored out. Actually can be factored, this is root x squared minus 1 squared, and here we have 1 plus root x all divided by root x. Now you may see what will happen here. This is the difference of two squares, so we have root x minus 1 times root x plus 1. This is equal to this 1 plus root x all divided by root x. Now we can cancel this 1 plus root x terms, since root x cannot be negative 1 actually in the real world. So we are left with root x minus 1 is equal to 1 over root x. If we cross multiply, we will find the answer easily. Root x times root x minus 1 is equal to 1, and this is the expression we want to find. X minus root x is equal to 1. This is the final answer for the question. Let me show you another method. Actually, this is the better one, but the second method I want to show. That is, let me just write the original expression again. We have x minus 1 over root x is equal to 2, and we want to find x minus root x. So we will use the substitution. Let me just call this root x to be some t. Then squaring both sides, we will say x is equal to t squared. Now writing our original expression again, x is equal to t squared and root x is equal to t squared minus 1 over t is equal to 2, and we want to find t squared minus t. Now let's just write our equation like t cubed minus 1 over t is equal to 2. Then this is t cubed minus 1 is equal to 2 times t, and t cubed minus 2 times t minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a cubic and needs to be solved. Now how to solve such a cubic? We should find a root from the rational zero theorem. We will check t plus or minus 1. If t is equal to 1, then we have 1 cubed minus 2 times 1 minus 1, but this is equal to negative 2. This is not equal to 0. If t is negative 1, then negative 1 cubed minus 2 times negative 1, and minus 1 will give negative 1 plus 2 and negative 1 again. This is equal to 0. So t is equal to negative 1. T is equal to negative 1 is a 0. So t plus 1 is a factor of this expression. Now let me factor this t cubed minus 2t minus 1 as t plus 1 times, we will have a quadratic expression now. We need some t cubed, so we will write t squared here. But now we have some t squared, but we don't have any t squared left hand side, so we should cancel by multiplying these 2 by negative 2 to get a negative t squared, and for the constant term we need some negative 1 here. So our factorization is that one. Now let's finish the question. We have t plus 1 times t squared minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. So whether t is negative 1, but remember t was for root x is equal to negative 1, has no solutions in real numbers, or this is equal to 0. So t squared minus t minus 1 is equal to 0 gives t squared minus t is equal to 1. And remember, t squared was equal to x and t is equal to root x. And this is exactly what we want to show, what we want to actually find. X minus root x is equal to 1 is our final result. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.